Hi everyone. Today Anna's going to tell us how she does $1.55 plus 61 cents. Okay, how do you want to do it? I've got things out here. Hold on, I don't have things out here. This is $1.50. Let's actually, yeah, we got to add a few pennies there, right? So here we go. Now it's $1.55, right? We've got 5 pennies there. Okay, how do you want to do this?
Well, first I'm going to split this group and I'm going to do 50 cents and 11 cents.
Okay, so 50 cents and 11 cents. Okay. Oh, you want the zero there? Okay.
It just helps me think a little bit.
Okay, so we have $1.55 and you want to add 50 cents, right? So to figure out the answer to this, we have to figure out the total amount here. So I'm just going to move these over so people can really see $1.55 is 50 cents.
Which is $2.05.
$2.05 here, right? So then we have $2.05. Shall I just write that down maybe on a number line? Let's see. So $2.05, 2.05, and then plus just 11 cents.
Well, 11 cents. So if you add them together, they'll equal $2.16.
Okay, so then we could even do it individually, right? $2.05 plus 10 cents
is $2.15.
Okay, so then when we add this to it, we get $2.15, and then add one more penny, and we get $2.16. So $1.55 plus 61 cents equals $2.16.
Yeah.
That was awesome.
Thanks. Bye, everyone.
Hi, everyone. Louise here, and we're going to do a question on addition using money.
Yeah.
So we're going to add this amount to that amount. So can you count out how much is here for us, Louise?
Okay. So here's $1. Here's
Those are dimes, right?
Yeah. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25.
These are worth 10 cents each.
Oh, so this is 50 cents.
Yep. So $1.50, and then how many pennies do we have here?
5. So $1.55.
Okay, so let's write that out. So $1.55, and we're gonna add to that. How much is here?
50, and then 60, and then 61.
Okay, so 0.61. Okay, I'm gonna put a line here, and I'm gonna put a line here. Okay, so that things look similar. So we have $1.55 here, $1.55 here, 61 cents here, 61 cents there.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go ahead and start adding things. Let's start with the pennies, right? Which is right here. So how many pennies do we have in total?
We have 6.
So 5 plus 1?
6.
Perfect. Okay, I'll move this down here too. Okay? And then everything will match up. Okay, so we have 6 here, and we have 6 there. Okay, now we're gonna
do 5 plus 6.
Yeah, these are the dimes, right?
Which is 11. So we're going to put 11 here. 1 here.
1 here. So it's 11 dimes, but instead of having this, can I swap that out for a loonie?
Sure.
Okay, let's do that then. So I'm going to take away 10 dimes, and I'm going to put a loonie instead. I'll leave that one there. Because when you add them together, you get 11 dimes or a loonie and 10 cents, right?
Yeah.
So now you're saying you want to, like that's 11, you want to put 1 there. So I'll go ahead and put the dime here. But what do you do? Because it was actually 11 that you had here, right? 11 dimes.
Yeah.
And then what do but I only put 1 here, so.
We put a little line there.
A little line there. And then so instead of having the $1.10 here, I'll move this up. So this is like the little one here.
Yeah.
Is the little one here. Yeah. And then the big one. Okay, now what do I do?
So you do 1 plus 1, so 2.
2, okay.
Put 2 there.
And then 1 plus 1 is 2. And I'll just put it down here so that everything matches up.
Yeah.
So $1.55 plus 61 cents equals
2.16.
or $2.16.
Yeah.
That was awesome.
Thanks. Bye.